Let's install the XB30 kit on my Better Built toolbox. Make sure the cam is in the lock position. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the cam. Press the spring when installing the new cam. H4 hex bit to install the XB30 cam. Mark your desired place for the adhesive mount. If requested, we offer customizable rods. Tighten the LP3 link pin with a flathead bit. Clean the area with Windex to remove debris. Please note that the adhesive mount is only intended for a single application. Use a 5/16 inch nut driver to tighten the actuator to the mount. Mark and cut the rod where desired.